So quick video. I'm not sure if I, man, you cannot make this shit up. But anyhow, I'm not sure if I included this in the last video. This is going to be a super quick one. Let's just start here. It's like it's an EV. So, e36 won't start now. Who knows why? I just checked through a bunch of stuff. I put the battery on the tender just in case the battery was dead. I checked the spark and ignition fuse. It's good. There are two relays up here that I ordered, and then I ordered another one. It's the same thing that goes in the back, so I'm going to test each one of them and see if any of them happen to be blown. I don't believe it is because it says that there should be some fuel pressure, not a lot. Maybe that thing is done, but I didn't hear anything click on, so I'll be changing that relay right there. I already changed this fuse. Nothing, it wasn't that. Tightened down the battery, tried jumping it. The starter doesn't even click or anything, so I was thinking maybe it's a ground, but I don't see any of the grounds loose. And it does power up, so the fact that it powers up and then the ECU reads everything, that means that the ground should be good. Doesn't drop any voltage, so the battery is good. The only other way I'm thinking is maybe if we could push it out and then like bump start it or whatever it's called, like when you roll the car and then you just boom. But again, the starter isn't even clicking on, so I don't know if that's what that's to solve or whatever. But yeah, anyhow, let's show you guys all the new stuff that we have for the new engine. So we have King bearings, the cam gasket thing, all the front timing chain cover, front main seal, rear main seal, all those seals. These are head bolts. Oh, forgot how heavy those were. Oops. Those are head bolts. Jesus Christ. Okay, head bolts, head gaskets, oil pan gasket. So pretty much every gasket. We already have exhaust gaskets. Maybe valve cover gaskets, but I don't remember. I don't think these have valve cover gaskets. I don't remember, because I don't remember how LSs are. Also, I'm new to this as well, but yeah, I have no idea why this thing isn't starting. I've checked pretty much everything I could think of. Everything seems to work, but it's just not putting power to the starter, I guess. So maybe something's awry down there. Anyhow, whether it starts or not, I guess we'll still get this thing out and down to the shop, because regardless, we're gonna have to take the engine out anyway. So yeah, I won't get back to you guys with an update because this video is gonna be done, and I'll most likely be going to the range later tomorrow, so that'll be a video for the other channel. But yeah, the next video will be either getting this thing started and getting it there, or getting it to the place and picking up the new block and doing all those things. I'm also considering grabbing an AC bracket and putting AC. I don't know if I'm going to plumb it up and everything, but I'll at least have like the bracket and everything, because it does go just like right there in that empty spot, so there will be space. I may order that today so that can get here. I'll probably order that and send it to Eddie. That way he just gets it and I don't have to bring it over there. Anything else that I order from today and on, I'll send it to him. That way we skip a step and he'll have everything. But yeah, it's just super annoying because he has space for the car to work on it, but we just couldn't get the car there, as well as AAA not wanting to help me push the car. Granted, it's not their job. Well, actually, it kind of is, because their job is to retrieve the car. But anyhow, whether they do it or I have to pay somebody to do it, screw it. We'll get it done. We'll get the money back. I already have a detail for next week, so the money from towing the car will be back. Monday is my birthday, and yeah, I guess we're starting off my new year real well. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, and I hope it's more eventful and successful than the last few videos, because this has been one hell of a week or two. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.